Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Uphold to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets between platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and stress-free. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding this process can save you time and potential headaches, especially with the evolving crypto landscape in 2025. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and XMO. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your Ethereum wallet. It's usually under the Assets or Wallets section. Double-check for any 2025 updates, as interfaces might have changed. Next, select your Ethereum balance and click on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Here, input your XMO wallet address. Pro tip: always verify this address on your XMO account to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, specify the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees, which might be higher in 2025 due to increased blockchain demands. Review the transaction summary, including fees and estimated arrival time, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for added security. After confirmation, sit tight as the transaction processes. Ethereum withdrawals typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your XMO account and check your Ethereum balance to ensure everything transferred correctly. A quick word of caution: in 2025, regulatory changes might affect crypto transfers, so stay updated with platform announcements. Always use secure connections and enable all security features on both apps. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Ethereum from Uphold to XMO. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.